In this video, we're going to talk about how to give information via email effectively. Usually, we have to provide the readers with some information in response to their inquiries. An inquiry can be of different kinds: an update on the task completion, a request for some important information, asking for feedback, a request for meeting. It is very important to make a good impression when responding to inquiries. Of course, the best impression will be made by providing the materials or information that your customer or colleague has asked for. However, this impression can be improved by a well-written response. Let's study how to provide requested information effectively by analyzing the response to the email about Skipton Airport project. Start the email by writing some pleasantries like, "How are you?" or "Everything is going well at the moment," and then you state that you're responding to their email. The phrase "in answer to your email about the current situation" serves as a reference to the previous context. Then, in the next section, you answer the questions that have been asked or confirm some information. It is advisable to answer each question in a separate paragraph. This will help you cover all the questions and also help your reader to easily understand the answers. The first paragraph provides the update on the current situation. You can make use of such phrases as, "We successfully completed," "We're currently operating," "The project is going well," "We haven't had any problems." The second paragraph clarifies the issues with the delivery and informs when the issues will be resolved. In the third paragraph, the writer provides information about the post-installation support. The response to the question starts with a reference to the inquiry concerning your question about. In this paragraph, the writer also mentions an attachment. Please find the detailed description of our post-installation package in the attachment. The last piece of information deals with a request to extend the support period. Since the writer cannot provide the response at once, a suggestion is made to discuss the issue later at the meeting. And lastly, you ask if the information you have written is fine and offer the requester the opportunity to contact you. So, in this lesson, you have watched how to structure your response to a request effectively using nice language tools. Keep them always at hand and make your responses clear and succinct.